Hello, I'm Stephanie at Encore Packaging. I'm here to talk to you about our EP250 top actuated retracting knife. This lightweight, medium-sized utility knife is built to handle it all, from cardboard and poly bags to styrofoam and more. It features an ergonomic rubber body with a soft touch grip for comfortable, all-day use. With safety in mind, the blade is self-retracting and only extends while in use, helping reduce accidents on the job. How do you change the blade? Well, it's simple, thanks to the slide clamp design. Replacement and ceramic blades are also available in our catalog. The knife holds 5 extra blades in the handle, so you can keep moving without missing a beat. You can find the EP250 here at Encore Packaging. Thank you for watching.